Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning. It's a new week. It's Monday, you guys. And I'm in the store already. I have an order. $16 and it's going to Mayo. And I'm only shopping for 6 items. So let's start the day. I hope today is going to be a great day. Although it's raining outside, but not too hard. But we can manage it. $10. Then it's a shopping order. It's going to Mayo, and I'm only shopping 3 items. 3 items. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. $10 going to Mayo, and I'm only shopping only this one item. So right now I'm going to check out. Let's go and check out. $17 shopping for 15 items, and it's going to Mayo. Let's go. Let me get it from the other side. $18 is going one buyer, and we're going to shop 14 items. 14 items. Okay, I am here. He's waiting for me because he needs to give me his ID. So he's in front of the door. Okay, y'all, this order was $16, was going to Mayo, and I have to shop 20 items, and I am here. So let's go drop it off. So you guys, I don't think I shared with you what time I started today. I started 7:40. 7:40 is when I did my first order, and right now it's 11:21, and we are sitting on $95. $95. So the day is going great. Yeah, great. Another shopping order, you guys. $11, and that's going 1 mile. And I only have to shop for 2 items. Only 2 items. So let's go. I'm not gonna even take a cart because it's only small. It's a little baby shoes and the swimming clothes. So let's go. So I'm getting this one medium. This is XL, medium. So we need this one medium, and they need these ballet shoes, so I have to go through everything to look for the size, because they need this size too. Okay, this one for this one. So I got the shoes. This is all they want. So let's go check out. Oh, I had to go shop this big order. This order was $40, you guys. $40. It's going 6 miles. And I shopped for 58 items, y'all. 58 items. So I'm heading out right now so we can go drop it off. $17 going 5 miles. It's a shopping order. I'm shopping for 8 items, y'all. 8 items. I just got done with the shopping order. It was $19. It's going like 2 miles, I think. And I'm heading outside right now. And before this one, I did $24. It was 6 miles. It was curbside order, so I didn't show that order because I was on the phone, yeah. I was distracted on the phone. That's why I didn't show that other order. So let's go drop this one, yeah. Let's go drop this order. So far, so good. Now it's 3:58, y'all. 3:58, and we're sitting on 209. 209, y'all. The day is going super fine. The day is going good. We're getting orders back to back. So you guys, it's 4:30 right now, and my shift ends right now, because there is some other stuff that I'm going to take care of that they just called me. So guess how much we made? 209, you guys. 209. We did it. Like, how was your Monday? Was it busy like here? Because here was orders back to back. I never waited for an order for up to 5 minutes. I never, like, an order was coming back to back. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow.